Some daily habits after 60 quietly raise blood sugar without obvious warning signs.
Skipping breakfast can cause blood sugar spikes later in the day.
Drinking sweetened coffee or tea may slowly increase sugar levels over time.
Long periods of sitting reduce the body's ability to use sugar effectively.
Late-night snacking can disrupt overnight blood sugar balance.
Poor sleep makes blood sugar harder to control the next day.
Stress hormones can silently push blood sugar higher over time. Eating refined carbohydrates causes faster sugar spikes after meals. Lack of daily movement weakens insulin response in older adults.
Irregular meal times confuse the body's natural sugar regulation. Sugary snacks between meals quietly raise average blood sugar levels. Low water intake can concentrate sugar levels in the bloodstream.
Highly processed foods digest quickly and spike blood sugar faster.
Watching screens late at night interferes with healthy sugar control.
Skipping gentle exercise reduces how efficiently muscles use glucose.
Emotional stress can raise blood sugar even without eating. Large portion sizes overload the body's ability to manage sugar.
Eating too quickly causes sharper sugar rises after meals.
Low fiber intake slows sugar removal from the bloodstream.
Frequent sugary drinks add hidden sugar throughout the day.
Inconsistent sleep schedules disrupt insulin sensitivity over time.
Highly refined snacks digest quickly and raise sugar sharply.
Too little protein makes blood sugar swings more severe.
Skipping post-meal movement allows sugar to remain high longer.
Chronic stress weakens long-term blood sugar regulation.
Late dinners reduce the body's ability to stabilize sugar overnight.
Excessive screen time encourages inactivity and higher sugar levels.
Low-quality sleep increases morning blood sugar readings.
Small daily habits can quietly shape long-term blood sugar health. Many seniors raise sugar unknowingly through routine daily behaviors.
Eating while distracted often leads to higher blood sugar spikes.
Some seniors underestimate sugar hidden in everyday packaged foods.
Low physical activity reduces muscle glucose uptake throughout the day.
Poor posture and inactivity slow circulation and worsen sugar control.
Stressful thoughts alone can elevate blood sugar without eating.
Irregular sleep times confuse the body's sugar regulation rhythms.
Eating refined snacks late worsens overnight blood sugar stability. Skipping daily walks weakens insulin effectiveness over time.
Low hydration concentrates glucose in the bloodstream during the day.
Watching television for hours reduces natural glucose usage. Emotional tension increases hormones that raise blood sugar quietly.
Highly processed breakfasts cause rapid sugar spikes after waking.
Eating too fast prevents the body from managing glucose smoothly.
Long afternoon sitting slows metabolism and worsens sugar control.
Poor sleep quality increases insulin resistance the next morning.
Hidden sugars in sauces quietly raise daily blood sugar totals.
Stress eating can elevate blood sugar beyond expected levels.
Skipping gentle movement after meals prolongs high sugar levels.
Late caffeine intake disrupts sleep and worsens sugar control. Low-protein meals cause faster and higher glucose spikes.
Emotional stress may raise sugar even on an empty stomach.
Skipping hydration during the day concentrates blood sugar levels.
Frequent snacking prevents blood sugar from stabilizing naturally.
Inactivity after dinner keeps sugar elevated longer overnight. Chronic worry slowly disrupts the body's glucose balance.
Irregular routines weaken long-term blood sugar stability. Everyday habits shape blood sugar more than occasional treats. Small daily changes can lower blood sugar over time.
Awareness of habits is the first step to better sugar control.
Managing daily routines helps protect long-term health after 60.